Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ratna Irawati. I would like to share about my research entitled Violations of Christian Maxims by Cinta Laura Kiel in the Forgiveness and Boundaries series of the Powder Room Talk on YouTube. Let's come to the abstract. Cooperative principles have an important role in communication. The researcher is interested in analyzing the maxim violation done by Cinta Laura Kiel in Forgiveness and Boundaries series of the Powder Room Talk on YouTube. The aims of this research are to classify the Grecian violation maxims and the meaning uttered by Cinta Laura. This research applied a descriptive qualitative method. The data analysis is inductive and the result emphasizes the meaning of generalization. The process of classifying the data is using Miles and Haberman approaches with 3 steps: reducing data, presenting data, and drawing conclusions. The result shows that there were 19 utterances or 54.3% violation maxim of quantity, 1 utterance or 2.9% violation of maxim of quality, 14 utterances or 40% violation maxim of relation, and 1 utterance or 2.9% violation maxim of manner. The implied meaning of the maxim violation uttered by Cinta Laura is to make the conversation more meaningful and interesting. The keyword is cooperative principle, Chris maxim violation, pragmatics, and Cinta Laura. Come to the introduction. The researcher realized that maxim violation is not always becomes a bad thing to ruin the conversation. Some findings of the previous study showed that the violation maxims may happen in any condition of communication for many reasons and sometimes to reach some purposes. For this reason, the researcher curious about the violation maxim in a podcast or talk show in YouTube channel. The researcher investigates the utterances that were uttered by Cinta Laura Kiel in the Powder Room Talk on YouTube, shaping a conversation with the theme Forgiveness and Boundaries. The conversation is about a journey of life which shares to the viewers to inspire them from the stories of life. The research question, the first is what kinds of maxim were violated by Cinta Laura Kiel in the Powder Room Talk show? And the second is what are the implied meaning of the violation maxims? Come to the literature review. The first is pragmatics. The pragmatics is a linguistic field study which explains both language and the use of language in the real life, how to produce and understand the meaning of language following the factors that influence the language selection. The second is cooperative principle. There are maxim quality, quantity, relation, and manner. And the third is maxim violation. When speakers intentionally refrain to apply certain maxims in their conversation to cause misunderstanding on their participants' part or to achieve some other purposes. Come to the research methodology. This research applied a descriptive qualitative method. The aim of this method is to systematically describe an object under the study clearly and accurately. In the study, the researchers using combination technique of collecting data. The analysis is inductive and the result emphasizes the meaning of generalization. Sources of the data in this study are the utterances of Cinta Laura Kiel in Forgiveness and Boundaries series of the Powder Room Talk on YouTube. The data from YouTube then classified based on the rules of cooperative principle violation. After that, the researcher analyzes the data. The process of classifying the data is using Miles and Haberman approaches within 3 steps: reducing data, presenting data, and drawing conclusions. Come to the discussion. There are 4 types of violation maxim. The first is quantity. There are 19 violation maxim of quantity, 1 quality, 14 relation, and 1 manner. So the total is 35. Come to the example of the findings. When JJ asked, when you actually moved back here, Cinta answered with a long answer. But when she said 1st July 2019 is enough. So this showed that Cinta not only tells when actually she come back to Indonesia, but also explain her condition which is not asked. She answer more than it is needed. She also repeat the word of me. So this is violates the maxim of quantity. She violated the maxim to tell the complete story in order to make it clear. And the next is violation of maxim quality. Cinta denies that everyone knows her. From the data, we can see that Viola talked about Cinta's background and she said that everyone knows Cinta since she is a famous actress and singer. But Cinta denies it. The violation maxim takes place because Cinta denies that everyone knows her. But then she said thank you, which means it is true. And the third is violation of maxim relation. From the data, We know that JJ wants to know how to transfer the positive value to the next generation, and Cinta answered with how we can't blame people who need entertainment. In this kind of situation, we can say that Cinta violated the maxim of relation. She invited the viewers to understand the condition of people in this country. And the last one is violation of maxim manner. Cinta said, I felt immediately that people were analyzing my looks. People here in this utterance, Cinta talked about people who judging her, but we do not know who the people in this context are. So who are the people is unclear or still ambiguous. Therefore, it can categorize as the violation maxim of manner, even though we may think that people she meant are most of Indonesian people. Come to the conclusion. Based on the result and discussion, it can be concluded that Cinta Laurakil violates all the cooperative principles or the four of Christian maxims: maxim quantity, quality, relation, and maxim of manner. There was found 19 data on the maxim quantity violation and only 1 data on maxim quantity violation, whereas the maxim of relation violated in 14 data and there was only 1 data showed the maxim of manner violation. Cinta has violated maxim of cooperative principle in some ways in order to convincing the viewers about the amazing forgiveness. She can impress the viewers through talking a long story about her experience of life, not only the problem but also with the solution, although she violates the maxim of quantity by talking too much. She invites the viewers to see from the other point of view and motivates them to forgiving and be themselves. She also denying that everybody knows her in maxim of quality violation means that she is low profile or she do not want to brag herself. The cooperative principles violation is not always become a bad thing in communication. It may be applied in daily conversation to make the dialogue more meaningful and interesting to motivate the other people or students. It may be researched again in order to enrich the knowledge about utterances based on pragmatic approach. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.